Welcome to sunny San Diego, California. Today, we're in the community of Palomar Ranch, which is an exclusive enclave of homes done by Toll Brothers. About to showcase you this beautiful home right behind me. This is going to be the Lucida Italiante model home. The Lucida model home features 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 4,765 square feet of interior living space, built on a massive 12,000 square foot lot. This home is currently on the market for $3.9 million. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Let you know every time I post a beautiful house tour. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So beginning on the exterior of this property, we're going to take a look at the 2-car driveway right here. We're going to notice a clean slate design along with turf patterns in between. You also have your wooden garage door, which is surrounded by lots of mature plant life. Follow me down this sidewalk as we step into the entryway of this home. We also do find 2 beautifully sculpted Italian-styled planters on either side of the staircase. Now, an absolutely incredible feature about the Lucida model home is that when you're first walking up, you notice this beautiful tiled fountain. Now, this is a feature that I do not really see in a lot of homes. Personally, this is the first that I've actually ever seen. I believe that this fountain pairs very well with the entire Italian theme of this home. Again, you're going to see those Italian types of stones upon the entryway. And before we head inside the actual home, I want to take you guys in the private casita, which is going to be the detached guest home of this property. Let's go ahead inside. So as we first step into the private casita of this property, to my left-hand side, we're going to see a lot of window seating. And another great theme about this property is that you have tons of natural light coming in from those arched windowsills. To my left-hand side again, we're going to have a full-size living space. We got custom cabinetry right below the flat-screen TV. The private casita's main purpose is to serve as a private kind of apartment building. It's going to be a little detached bedroom from the regular main side of the house, so if the owners want to, they could rent it out to whoever they want, or a family member. And then right here, we also have kind of a miniature kitchen space. We got the marble countertops, we got the miniature sink space, designated refrigeration. We also have some custom wooden cabinetry surrounding your wolf designed microwave. No oven or stove, unfortunately, but for a private little area, this is about as good as it gets, but personally, I think it's pretty good. Let's continue on into the bedroom space. Upon entering, we see a lot of decorative staging below the crown molding that is shown all around this room. And as we step inside the ensuite bathroom, something I did really like was the floor transition. We got the custom wooden flooring right here, transition straight into your smooth tiled marble. Upon entering, we're going to notice that same type of marble, which is going to be featured in a stone-like position all across the walls. And inside the shower space, that same marble tiling is actually going to be featured on the floor, but upon the walls, it is more of a geometric type of marble pattern. I think it complements really well inside this room. You got your candle light fixture, which I thought looks very beautiful. Really adds to the Italian style of this property. You got your custom cabinetry right below the sink space. Let's continue on out of the private casita. Something else about this room actually, full-sized walk-in closet space. So we're going to notice railing all across each side of the room. You have plenty of storage for all of your clothing. Now follow me past this beautiful tiled fountain. Let's go ahead and step inside. Now what an entrance. So upon entering this home, above me we have the chamber design featured right below that light fixture with the custom brass design. Also, you're gonna notice more of that crown molding featured around this entire entryway. Absolutely beautiful. We got a decorative tabletop with a mirror, some plant life right next to me. Follow me to my left-hand side, and let's first take a look at the first bedroom inside this property. So upon first entering, we're going to notice that navy blue style for the walls. Floating shelving designs on both sides of that bed. We have a custom ceiling fan above. You got your mounted flat screen TV with the wooden cabinetry. Every bathroom in here is en suite, guys, of course. You got your glass enclosed shower space. Again, you've got the large tiling. Nice sleek design. I think that looked very nice. Beautiful. Let's continue on outside. And then we have the powder room featured on this floor. Let's go ahead and take a look. Surrounded by more of that beautiful marble, guys. That's gonna be a great element of this home. Lots of marble everywhere we come inside, enclosed around this entire powder room. Awesome. And right behind this door, you have your coat closet. You have some more of the custom cabinetry featured with a little bit of storage right under here, actually. Nice. Let's continue on through the front side of this property. Something else that you are gonna see is a second brass design light fixture. The entryway actually splits off into 3 separate areas. So to my left-hand side, we have another set of bedroom spaces. My right-hand side is contained the master bedroom, which is super beautiful, but we'll check that in a little bit. Follow me down the third entryway as we step into this massive, openly designed home. Absolutely stunning, guys. Right over here, this is gonna be one of my most favorite features of this entire area. This is gonna be the designated bar space. So we continue on through. We have designated seating for 5. You got your custom granite countertop surrounding the entire wine storage area. And something great about this is that it has a custom marble backsplash. Personally, I think it complements the granite style really well. You've got your gold trims also upon the wine storage, featured all around. And then if you follow me inside here real quick as well, we have some refrigeration for those special bottles of wine that you don't want to just leave out in the open. Also some more of the custom wooden cabinetry surrounding this area. Absolutely great space. And then we set foot into the informal living room. So another great feature about this is that you have more of the crown molding surrounding your wood-burning fireplace. You got your large mounted flat screen TV. Also something I wanted to highlight is that you see the crown molding featured upon here, but if you actually take a look just around the entire home, you actually have that same crown molding upon every single wall piece, this entire area. Amazing. It's the little details like that that really, really set this home apart from the other homes in this neighborhood. And as we're continuing on down the home, we're gonna see the large formal dining table. So this is gonna be perfect for seating for up to 10 people, 10 of your family members, 10 of your guests. We have the luxurious light fixture featured right above. And you also have some fine china featured atop, nice staging elements of this property. And then as we're further stepping through, we're gonna see a large glass case, which is gonna be ideal to hold any pieces of fine china or little decorative ornaments that they'd like to show off. So as we continue on through the home, we notice this giant center island featured with this very sleekly designed black and white marble. We have seating for up to 5 of our guests. And then to my left-hand side, we notice the informal dining table. This is going to be the informal table mainly because it is featured right next to the center island. We see couch side seating. Very interesting. I've actually never seen that before at any dinner table. But you have couch side seating. You have a luxurious light fixture featured right above, which also match the golden accents featured atop the table. Let's continue on through. Also take a look at the custom wooden cabinetry that stretches all the way to the end of the kitchen. You got this sleekly designed marble countertop, which does complement the black marble countertop very well, in my opinion. You've got a Wolf designed 6-burner stainless steel stovetop. We also have a white, very cleanly designed brick backsplash. And then right next to that backsplash, you've got the silver pot filler. And at the edge of the center island, you have the stainless steel sink designed by Cullinan. And it works. Look at that. Let's head on through. Massive Sub-Zero refrigerator. Wow. I always love looking at the refrigerators of these mansions, guys. One of my most favorite features of every home. You see the clean, modern white designs in every single Sub-Zero fridge. It's just amazing. And directly on the right side of that Sub-Zero refrigerator, we're gonna have another Wolf designed microwave similar to the one that we saw over in the private casita. And right below that is gonna be another Wolf designed oven. This is gonna be the same type of oven that is actually featured right over here. So in total, you have 3 separate ovens. Amazing. Now let's head inside here. We have the walk-in pantry space. Perfect storage for all of your food items, all the necessary snacks that the owner wants to have. Let's continue on outside. We do have some extra bedrooms right over there to the left side of me, but I actually want to go ahead and take you guys first into the luxurious backyard space. Let's go head over there right now. We're gonna go ahead and open up these pocket sliding glass doors for you. Great feature, you have that indoor-outdoor flow straight into your backyard. Let's go take a look. Upon first entering, we have another informal dining space featured with seating for up to 5 of your guests. Perfect for enjoying an outdoor meal, overlooking beautiful Del Mar Heights. And then as we step away from the informal dining space, just take a look at this beautiful backyard that you guys have. Notice, very similar to actually Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas, we have the more Italian designed planters featured across each corner of this pool. This pool is going to be glass enclosed as well. There's going to be that glass enclosed feature right over there to the side. But we'll go ahead and take a look at that in a second. But I just want you guys to admire this pool space. When you guys are relaxing in the pool, you have beautiful panoramic views of Del Mar Heights. Absolutely amazing. Now follow me up these set of stairs. Let's go ahead and take a look at the designated spa area. So when we're first coming up to the spa, we're gonna notice the very similar tiling that was done on the fountain, which is featured right in front of the home. And right behind the outdoor spa, we're gonna notice some more designated seating areas. Again, you notice the Italiante style stones, which do match the stones on the entryway of the home. We have this beautiful covered area, so if the owner wants to, they can cover this up with some shade. Enjoy this on a hot, sunny afternoon. Absolutely amazing. Follow me down another set of stairs, also with some more of this railing. So I wanted to show you guys a closer look at the glass enclosed area that I was talking about earlier. I think it really adds a nice effect for this pool, kind of giving it a contemporary look, even though it actually is going to be more of an Italian styled home. So as we're continuing on through the backyard, we notice this sunken in fire pit area, beautiful seating on either side. And right past this designated fireplace area, follow me up this set of stairs, and we have a stone fire oven. Guys, I have never seen a stone fire oven in any property that we have ever toured, so this is new for me. Also comes complete with one of these. Perfect for baking pizzas, cooking some bread. Absolutely amazing. Love it. We also got the authentic brick design featured with that granite. Same granite that we actually did see in the bar area. And directly next to that stone fire oven, we see some refrigeration along with several designated cabinet areas. So this is kind of taking the place of a normal traditional outdoor barbecue that we would normally see in a home, but this just takes it to a whole new level. Stone fire oven, guys, absolutely amazing. And then follow me up really quick here and just take a look at those views, guys. Panoramic views of Del Mar Heights, guys, the hillside. You see the golf course, you see the other mansions in the distance. This is a beautiful view. Whoever comes and buys this house is going to be very lucky. Lots of options, lots of added features. Again, you got the glass paneling on the edges as well. Absolutely amazing. All right, we have just entered back inside the property, and let's go ahead and head down this hallway. To my right-hand side, we have the laundry space. Got your beautiful sink right here. Again with the black and white marble that we did see over in the dining room. Got your washer, your dryer right here. Perfect space for cabinetry. Got some tiled backsplash right there as well. Let's continue on outside. We head into the formal living space. Something else that you are gonna see, guys, with this room is that you have the wooden paneling which encloses the entire room. You have plenty of seating for all of your guests and family members. Beautiful flat screen TV enclosed with a dark wooden material. So let's exit the formal living space and head into the mudroom featured at this property. So we have custom wooden designed storage areas right there. We got a circular mirror right above. Let's head into the 3-car garage of this property. This one actually has a separate area right here. Personally, I've never seen a home like this before. 3 cars you can fit in here, guys. Absolutely amazing. Love it, love it, love it. Let's continue outside. And now let's go ahead and check out the 3rd bedroom of this property. Upon entering, we notice some more of that decorative staging. We got a chambered ceiling right above us. So then we got the designated desk area right here. Let's go ahead into the ensuite bathroom inside this room. So upon entering, we notice the custom wooden cabinetry right upon the stone countertop. And if you follow me right inside, we actually do have a glass enclosed shower bathtub combination. That's going to be the first one that we actually did see in this property. Again, with more of the marble enclosed features that we did see in some of the other bathrooms. Super beautiful, really adds to the nice decorative look of this entire room. Let's continue on outside. Let's continue down this hallway. As we're approaching the master bedroom, we're going to see more of that circular crown molding right below that luxurious light fixture. And now we head inside to the master bedroom. But first, let's head into the master spa. First entering, we notice this beautiful marble flooring across the entire way, complemented with the black triangular patterns. And something else that you are going to see inside of this room is that you have that exact same marble enclosing the entire space, all the way up to the ceilings, all the way into the shower as well. And I actually did want to highlight on the shower really quickly, so let's go ahead and take a look at that first. So we open up, glass enclosed, of course. We have that marble enclosing the entire shower space, designated shelving right here. We got a rain head as well. Personally, I think when the owner moves in, they should add another rain head, another couple rain heads, because this is a very big shower space. Also, we got the black marble right below us, complements the shower very well. So this bathroom also does feature a freestanding tub. And right next to that, we got the dual vanities, massive countertops for either vanity. This one actually in particular does have a seating space, perfect for someone to get ready, put on their makeup before a large event. This one is not going to feature the seating, but it is also going to feature the custom wooden cabinetry that we have seen across the entire home. Also nice gold and silver trim across the mirror, plant life across as well on both of those sides. Got your toilet area right here. We got the same marble going in, beautiful. And then we head into the large closet space. Amazing. So this is going to be a his and hers shared closet space. We're going to notice floor to ceiling shelving across the entire area. We're going to notice ambient lighting featured right above this mirror, ambient lighting right below us as well. It's kind of those LED strips. This closet really reminds me of a designer boutique. It's absolutely amazing. I really just love how each designated shelf space has its own LED light strip. Perfect ambient lighting for showcasing all the owner's items, jewelry, clothing, accessories, shoes. Absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and head outside. We also do have an integrated speaker system in here as well. I believe that can connect with the entire house. Follow me. Let's head into the master bedroom space, guys. Look at this. So upon entering the bedroom space, guys, we're greeted with a magnificent light fixture hanging right above your California king-size bed. Also, something else to notice in this room is that you have that beautiful crown molding shown across the entire room, really adding a nice detail. We also notice the custom hardwood flooring that are engineered throughout this entire room. Dual nightstands on either side of the master bed. And then here, we have the his and hers desk space. Also, right above that is a matching light fixture, again, with another chambered ceiling. Now, something great about this desk space is that it provides beautiful outdoor views of the entire city of Del Mar Heights, along with